Hello. In this video, I will show you how to upload skins to Minecraft. Click on the search bar at the top. Type this, Minecraft skins. Hit enter. You can choose from any website that gives a downloadable avatar file. But for this tutorial, I'll choose the Skindex website. You can search for any Minecraft skin that you like. I'll choose this cool-looking Ender Guardian skin. Close pop-up ads. Click the download button. Click save. And now the file is downloaded. Now let's launch Minecraft. Click Dressing Room. Then go into the Classic Skins tab. Click on the person. Then choose New Skin. Click on the file you just downloaded before. Here it'll say if you want this or that option. It doesn't really matter. I'll just go with this one. As you can see, the skin has loaded successfully and we play as that avatar. If you liked this video or if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video.